Hello guys, welcome back to AutoCAD tutorial video. This is the drawing we are going to make now. We have a lot of arcs, circles, and then some lines. So we can see clearly that we can start from this position. We can start from this position, and we can actually start from anywhere we like, and wherever you want to start from. All you have to do is to just apply some basic calculations. So we're going to analyze the drawing for like maybe 30 seconds to 1 minute. You can see we have circle here, radius 0.437, another circle here, radius 0.75, and these circles were cut short into half, like semicircles. So we're going to start with that at this particular side, and we see 2 times the radius of this. 2 times the radius of this. This simply implies that what this semicircle is repeated twice in this particular diagram. One is at this side, another one is here for this one for this. And we can see we have another circle here, another circle here. The diameters are given. The diameter of this one is also given. Radius of this circle, the arc here, is given. The radius of this is given right here, which is 2 times 0.625. So which means the radius of this and this is that. Then 2 times that, the radius of this and this. Then 2 times this, the radius of this and this external one there. Then we have the distance between this center and this center given here, 5.804. The distance between this center and this center is given here, 2.312. The distance between this center and this center is given 2.75. And for us to get the distance between this center and this center, all we have to do is what? 5.804 minus this to have this. Now to locate this center later, we're going to offset this line here, this horizontal line up. After offsetting from here to this place, from here to this place, then this will give us that there. Now after the analysis, now we're going to start drawing. We will start by drawing this circle with just 0.437 and another one with just 0.75. Okay, so center radius 0.437. It's too small, so we are going to double click the scroll bar on the mouse. Now take another circle with the 0.75. With this now, we will draw construction line, both horizontal and vertical. That is horizontal, vertical, and then we're going to start offsetting. Okay, from the diagram we are offsetting by 1 unit to get this other side. Then we will also offset by 5.804 to get this center line here. So we are simply going to select offset 1, another offset 5.804, now with that we can simply select another circle at this point. Make sure you drag from this point here and that line. Repeat the same procedure for this bigger one. Okay, now we are going to start the trimming process. Trim the whole internal section right here and these sections too, and then we can delete manually whatever is left. I'm going to take a line to join 1, 2, having gotten this, we will go to the other side now and continue from here. We're going to draw this radius 0.438, then radius 0.875. Okay, so this particular one, 2 times that is repeated 1, 2. So radius 0.438. Circle, radius 0.438, 0.438. Another one, 0.875. Okay, now that we have this, we will try to do, to get this location by offsetting vertical dimension line here or construction line here to this point. Thus, we will offset the vertical construction line from this point to this point. Okay, after that we'll get circle diameter 1.125 and circle diameter 1.75. okay, so offset 2.312 from this point to this point, then circle center diameter. You can check and confirm. If you look very well, we have gotten this center. Now we're going to draw 1.125, 1.75. And in that case, we will check back. I think there's something else to do. We have another circle, radius 1.375. Go to center radius now. Having gotten this, we can simply complete this line here and complete this here. So as for the line, there's no dimension, it's just tangent, tangent, and then you are done. So let's do that. Take a line, right click, hold shift on your keyboard, then press right click, tangent to this. Repeat the same thing to close this line here. You can't just end it like this, there will be a lot of error. So hold shift again, right click, tangent, and select anywhere along this. Okay, so it will be tangent to that circle. You can do for this arc, for the arc right here. So the radius is 0.625, so tangent to the circle, then radius. So select tangent, tangent, radius 1, 2, then 0.625, and then we trim and continue with the other drawing, with the remaining sides of the drawing. Now that we have this, you can see we will now focus at the upper side, but before then let's just trim this circle here and here, and then delete this. Okay, it's becoming a little bit clear now, isn't it? Now let's try to get this one. It's not easy to just get this without this 40 degree given. So since this 40 degree is given here, and we can see clearly that this line is going up like this, this dimension line at angle 40 degrees to this first quadrant, to the horizontal line here. So we're going to just take any line of any length. Okay, any line of any length, draw. Let's see, length 5 units. Hold shift, press less than to switch to angle, then write your 40 degrees. So that is a line of 40 degrees. And then back to the drawing, you can see that there is another arc right here passing through this center and this center. So we'll just take an arc, a circle, and then draw from here, center line here to this center line, and then stop. Okay, to get this center point. Just take any circle, maybe center radius, center diameter, as you wish. So, and stop it right here. You will have this intersection point. That is the main thing. So now we are going to draw the two circles around there, the two semicircles. One is radius 0.438, the other one is radius 0.875. So radius 0.438, then the other one 0.875. When you are done, you can delete this, okay, because it becomes useless immediately. So when you're done with that, we simply take another circle to complete all the outer edges, the outer arcs. There's an arc here, there's another arc here, there's another arc here, and they can be completed with the help of just the circle. So I've taken the circle already. We can stop it here, one, another one, here, another one here. Remember, whatever we are drawing, watch it very well. So let's start trimming. 1, 2, and we can delete the rest first. You can see no harm is done. We trim the rest now before I delete. So 1, 2, okay, and 1, 2. I think that's all that there is to trim, so we can erase these 2 circles. Now that we've done that, if you look back on the diagram, it's free inside, so we're going to eliminate everything inside. So trim, okay, trim these 2 and this, then eliminate whatever is left here. Now that we have this, the next portion is to draw the remaining circles, these ones here. So, and to get that, we have gotten the center line, which is 2.312. Now let's get the other center line, which is 0.75. okay, offset by 0.75 from the horizontal vertical line here, then offset by 1.75 from the horizontal out to get that point. So 1.875 and then 0.75, right? Offset 1.875, then offset this one by 0.75. okay, now we have this point here. So we are going to use center diameter to get diameter 1.625 and diameter 0.75. So 1.625 and then diameter 0.75. When you're done, so when you're done, we're going to make tangent radius to have this. Radius is 0.625 as well. So select tangent radius 1, 2, 0.625. When you trim immediately, it's for your own good. Alright. When you're done, check very well to make sure there's no remnant. Now when you're done, we make another trim for this side now to free this the portion. Okay, delete, and tangent radius again, which is for this 1.75. Then trim again, and then I think that's all for the design. Alright guys, now we clear these construction lines and look at what we've done. So we're going to leave this line here for the sake of dimension. We will even add another line just for the dimensions of that angle. Okay, so we have this now. We can simply dimension it, and since this diagram is the drawing is very small and the dimensions given are very minute, we're going to have to edit dimension scale. But why am I editing? Let me just apply one dimension. You will understand why I'm editing. For angular now, we have this to this. You will see how big the dimension will be, because my previous drawings were bigger drawings where we have like 100 units, 70 units. This one is 0.17, 0.5, 0.75, and so on. So I'm going to have to edit the dimension scale, modify. First and foremost, primary unit is still decimal places. On the text size, we're going to use 0.2, and then offset from dream line 0.2. Let's apply 0.2 to every single thing we want. We're going to be using arrow size 0.2. Then okay, that's all right. You can change the dimension line to green, then baseline spacing 0.2 and 0.2 here as well for the extend beyonding line, and offset from origin 0.2. So alright, think that's all. Then we are going to change this to period, which is point. Set current. Now we have this, which is beautiful. Now we select all the dimensions needed. We are going to make all the linear dimensions properly. Just press enter to select the linear dimension again. Okay, we have this to this. If you go up, it will give you the horizontal, so I needed the vertical, so I go to the side. And I think that's all the linear dimensions there. The next thing now is to get all other dimensions like the radius, diameter. So let's get this diameter. Okay. That's diameter 1.625, 0.75, and we have the diameters of this as well. Alright, then we get the radius of the rest. The radius of this was given 0.875. The radius of the smaller one was given 0.438. The radius of this arc here was given 0.75. Anyhow it is, that's okay. Or you can move it outside if you wish. The radius of this was given right here. So now what is left? Whatever dimension you feel is left, you can apply it on your own. Thank you all for watching. Make sure to subscribe to our channel, and if you are yet to subscribe, please don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notification bell for updates on our video uploads. And since we realize that most people are interested in 2D drawing, we are going to be focusing on that for the meantime. Thank you all for watching, and goodbye. See you in our next video.